So it's Coach Julio. I'm going to show you a really cool tricep exercise using a resistance tube. We'll try to do this also in less than 1 minute and see if Coach Sing Sing will participate. So first and foremost, we're going to need to come down to the floor. Notice my setup. Yes, I placed the band not under my knees, but underneath my legs. So basically my legs are the anchor. So this is an overhead tricep press. So from here, my legs together. Notice my setup, my elbows are tucked in and I press up. Exhale as I press up. Exhale as I press up. That is the end range of motion. And here's the starting range. I give you a front view. You want to avoid having your elbows flare out, more tucked in. So you would do that for like 10 to 20 reps. You would stop if you feel any back pain or neck pain or any pain in your joints. If you want to add a bonus move, you can just go from that movement to some push-ups. Do that for 3 rounds. I guarantee you're going to have a nice, full, warm sensation in your upper body. That's it. So post your comments and don't forget to subscribe.